How do you seal food packaging? It is a question that we get all the time here in Marketing Food Online. I'm actually here in my office and I'm going to show you an automatic bag sealer today. So cool to check out this sealer, and stay tuned all the way to the end of the video. I'm going to show you how much I actually paid for it and where you could get your own. And if you have a cottage food business and you're looking to create some packaging that needs some sealing, these types of pieces of equipment can be used at home because they are so compact, but they do an amazing job. So how do you seal food packaging? That's what we're going to dive into on this video here at Marketing Food Online. All right, so welcome back to Marketing Food Online. We are here actually in our shipping facility. If you can see behind me, I want to show you that really cool machine over there. We're going to take a look at what it does and how do you seal food packaging. We're going to answer that question we get quite often from a lot of our subscribers. I've got some spice bags, so if you're in a spice business, I'm going to show you how you can seal up your spice bags too as well. But of course, any type of food product that you have in your bags, this sealer will actually do that for you. So keep that in mind as well. So let's take a run over. I've got my sample spice bag here. We've got in my nice little 4-ounce bag. I just put a label on there. I wasn't going to label it right now. I'm just going to show you how this seals. But the top sealer is going to be sealed up and look professional. So let's take our spices and head on over to our machine. Now, when you get this machine, it is about 35 to 40 pounds too. It's very lightweight. Doesn't weigh a lot, but it's definitely compact enough that you can use this in a cottage food setting. So you have to understand something. When you start a home-based food business, by chance, if you're doing this from home as well, there's a lot of equipment that's not allowed technically under cottage food law because they don't want you to use commercial equipment. Okay, so just keep that in mind as well. So let me flip the camera around and let's get started with this. All right, so here is the unit. It is about, I would probably say, 36 inches long is it. But it is fantastic. We got this about 5-6 months ago, and we use it for our pretzel rods. It does a fantastic job with pretzel rods as well. And let me just show you what I mean by that. So here is, for instance, here's some of our pretzels. That's the seal. Let me show you the seal on it. The seal is beautiful. The reason why I say that is that it's professional looking. How does it work, Damien? By the way, this is literally ready to go out of the box. There's no assembling, no nothing involved, except for obviously you have to plug it in, of course. But on top, let me show you this. This is really cool. You know, automatic bag sealers are really hard to come by that are good quality. Okay, I was able to find this one online, and it's fantastic. You basically got the heat sealing element here. You have the speed, volume. You can actually adjust the speed of the conveyor. Okay, and there's the little conveyor. Like I said, this is like 36 inches. It's not that big. And then you also have the fan, which keeps the unit cool, and then the on switch. Okay, now this right here is the temperature gauge. You can adjust this to whatever temperature you like, because the type of temperature that you set it at will be dependent upon the type of bag and the thickness of the bag that you're going to be using. This is what I found. So we have the temperature set at, it looks like, I think, around 150. So that temperature is perfect for the type of bags that we have. Now, the only thing that you can obviously hear the noise. The only thing there's a couple things I don't really like about the unit is the amount of noise, as you can tell. It's a little bit on the loud side. But the other thing is that from time to time, under here, where this is the bag, so this is where it comes off. These are the heating elements, okay? This is the section that actually heats the bag and seals it. And then what you do is you come through here, it comes off the conveyor, and then of course down into your collection box, whatever that may be, okay? But the one thing is, every now and then, I'd say out of 1,000 or so bags, I'll get about 2 or 3 of these that get stuck in there. I'm not really sure why. But other than that, I mean, getting about 900 plus bags sealed is obviously good. So it has a little bit of technical flaws. I do love the fact that it's not very big. It sits on the counter very easily. You can maneuver it, move it around, and you basically put your product, and I'll show you in a second once it warms up. You do have to let it warm up, which is actually not a big deal. It's pretty cool. Not a big deal. It takes about 2 minutes to 3 minutes to warm up. The conveyor, you start here, and you basically put the product in between these wheels, okay? And of course, I'll show you how that works. We have our little bag here of coffee. This is some coffee we put in the bag to show you. Now, when you get the bags too, keep in mind you want to make sure it has a tear strip. That means that it's got a little perforation here. You don't want to seal below that because then you cannot open it. So this machine is great because when you put it in, it will actually seal right above the top. And I'll show you how to put it in perfectly as well too. So if you've got a spice business, you've got a candy business, you have trail mixes, anything that's in a bag that needs to be sealed on the top, this machine is fantastic for it. And it's not going to break the bank. So like I said, to the end, let me show you the sample of it. And then what I'll do is I'll explain to you where I got it and the price point as well. Plus, down below in the video, in the description section, definitely take a look at the links. I'll actually send a handful of links to different models so you can take a look at different price points. If you were in the market for something like this, you can check out the price points. Some of them go up to like $1,200. Some of them go down to like, well, you have to wait and see. So that is the conveyor. We are going to go ahead and run this through, and then we'll see how this looks on the end, and I'll show you how these bags get sealed and make it look absolutely professional. All right, so the machine is all set. We have our sample spice bags. We've got some peppercorn here, for instance. And I just put a little label on just to show you. I'm not going to put the word peppercorn, but here's the bag, and I'm going to show you where we put it and then follow it down, and then I'm going to show you the seal that it puts on the bag. Now, you could use this for barrier bags. If you're trying to figure out how to seal coffee bags as well, you can do that also. So let's take a look here. I'm holding this on a tripod, so sorry about the shaking. We're going to take it, and we literally set it here, right on the wheels. You don't want to go this high up. You don't want to go further down. Right here is perfect. And you set it on there. It takes it, goes right down, and then it's going to be put right into our box. It's done. Sealed. Also, look at that. Beautiful seal. So it's very professional looking. You can do this for products you're selling on Amazon. If you're looking at products at a farmer's market, even if you're in a cottage food, and the seal is right across the top. It's almost about a ½ inch thick, and it's just above the tear strip. And you're all good to go. Literally, that's it. It's beautiful. It's perfect. Let me show you a couple more. So again, you want to be right above the tear strip on the side. You want to set it right inside, and then just let it go. And you can do more than one at once too. And it just keeps running and running. Absolutely love this machine. And see that beautiful tear? See that part on the top? There it is, right there. That's the tear strip just above. It's heat sealed about a ½ inch thick. And that is how you seal bags, food packaging. So if you're looking to get an automatic bag sealer, this is definitely something you look at. Heat sealers for stand-up pouches, if that's what you're looking for, definitely check out this unit. And again, I'll have it down below in the description, a couple of different price points. I got this one because guess what? I picked this one up for $189 with free shipping. Yep, 189 bucks was it. It is well worth it, okay? The reason why I say it is, let me show you what I used to seal my bags on. And then I'll actually do I'll do a demo too on this unit. This is amazing. This unit's really good if you're looking to do something that is on a foot stand, and you literally just simply go down here, you press your foot, it heat seals up here, but it's very, very wide for larger units, larger bags. It's a very simple item to use. So that is our new unit. We wanted to share that with you guys. If you're looking for an automatic bag sealer, definitely take a look at this one. So if you're scratching your head figuring out how do you seal food packaging, well, there you go, guys. This unit will definitely do it for you, minus the little bit of noise that's coming off of it. Very simple to use. Turn it off and on. Great for candy businesses. And of course, great for spice businesses. So anything that you need sealed up in a bag and you want it to be kind of professional, that's the unit I would recommend because the price point is crazy for $189. To be honest with you, we've been in business for about 13, 14 years, and we've been doing it by hand with that other unit or by foot. And I kind of kick myself because I should have bought that unit at least 10 years ago. So if that was helpful, please do let us know down below. Give us a big thumbs up. That lets YouTube know that you are enjoying our content. And definitely subscribe if this is your first video. We are food entrepreneurs, and we bring you all kinds of useful, actionable tips on how to build your food business. So I'll see you guys on our next video. Definitely check out our podcast too. We have 4 different podcasts for different food industries, and you definitely want to check those out down below as well. And I'll see you guys on our next video. Thanks for watching Marketing Food Online. And if you are looking to create your own food truck, start a home-based food business under the cottage food law, franchise a food operation, start a packaged food business, private label your own food product, sell on Amazon, get your own online store, or sell food online, remember to subscribe and check out these videos for more resources. Take care.